Hi, I'm Dr. Ansanet, lifestyle consultant, Savio Wellness Hub, Bangalore. So many of us are considering varicose ulcer or diabetic ulcer is not manageable, but it is manageable. So ulcer is usually an open sore that develops on our foot or leg. So it can be associated with pain, edema, pus and discharge. So it is usually caused by poor blood flow or nerve damage, or it can be associated with high blood pressure, smoking and all. So we do manage varicose ulcer and diabetic ulcer naturally. So what we usually do is we improve the nerve damage and improve the blood circulation. So do visit our clinic for further details. Thank you.